Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, hi, I'm Lola, welcome to the family. And so today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 of my favourite lip products. So as the sun starts to come out, I like to brighten up my looks a little bit, and one way I do that is through my lips. And so I wanted to show you guys some of my favourites so that you guys can either check them out or use me as a guide as to what you think it may look like on you. And so yeah, thanks again for stopping by, and I will let you get on with the rest of the video. Okay my lovelies, so there's nothing on my lips anymore. And so I'm literally just going to jump in with my first lip combo. And so I'm actually going to use Fenty Beauty lip paint in the shade Uncuffed, but I'm also going to use a lip liner with this one because this shade is a bit too light to use on its own, but it's such a nice nudie pink. It actually kind of goes with my nails, which I like. Again, it's like still keeping it safe. I'm going to go from safe to a bit more out there. So this is the Clinique lip pencil in the shade 03 Intense Cola. So it's like you can see it, but it's not too harsh. So it's kind of a similar shade to Bittersweet by MAC. So this is the look. This is the lip colour. It has a bit of a purpley undertone as well, and it's really pretty. So the next lip product that I like to use, I actually would probably use it on top of something like this, and it's the Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in Posy K, and it's such a nice colour as well, and it works so nicely with this lip. But I'm very much a gloss gal, and so this works perfectly for me. You just can see the colour is really pigmented. It's just so much fun. Wow. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like by itself as well, because it is really pigmented. So I'm going to wipe it off. If you're my shade or darker, I would still suggest using a lip pencil. And then let's go in with Posy K lip gloss. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's just a little bit more, I guess, transparent. It's not as opaque as when you put it with the lip stick underneath. It just adds a bit more to it, and it elevates it a bit more when you have the lipstick underneath it. But I still think this is really pretty, and I mean, if you just want like a quick one colour kind of vibe, then go for this. I love to layer lipsticks and lip products anyway, so I'm a bit of a lipstick junkie in that sense. But yeah, this definitely works, and I think it's so pretty. Okie dokie, let's go on to the next one. So the next one is a gloss as well, and it's actually also from Kylie Cosmetics. Again, I'm going to use a lip pencil with this one as well. And so this is obviously a bright red lip gloss, and I think the reason why I really love this one is because I find whenever I wear lighter coloured red lipsticks, I just feel like it doesn't look good on me. Like, I can rock a deep red, like a burgundy, that looks good. But when it comes to like a red lip that's a bit lighter, it doesn't really work for me, like in a matte anyway. So when I found this gloss and I tried it on, I fell in love, because there's just something about the gloss that just makes it different. And it's kind of like the red lip, but you can wear it in summer. It's like so pretty. Let me know if you guys know what I'm talking about, because I feel like certain reds just don't work with my complexion or like my face shape or something. I don't know what it is, but something. But I feel like a red gloss like this for some reason just works. And I feel like red can work in any season. It's just like a nice pretty evening kind of go-to shade. And so yeah, this is it. I love that it's a gloss. It's really comfortable on my lips, and it just looks good. It makes my lips look juicy, like I just bit into like a really juicy red apple, and for some reason it's just left this luscious vibe on my lips. Okie dokie, let's go on to the fourth lipstick. Okay, so I feel like the first three were for my girls who just want a little bit more colour, and don't really want to go too out there, because I know, you know, a classic red, everyone can really wear that, and especially because it's a gloss, it makes it like even like you can make it more transparent, you can make it more opaque depending on the vibe that you want to go for. So I feel like it is very versatile, but this next two may be a bit more for my adventurous girls out there, right? So this one is this purple liquid lipstick right here, and it's in the shade Recollection. It's the retro matte liquid lip color in the shade Recollection, and it's by MAC. And girl, it's a bright one. It's a bright one. Not everyone is gonna feel like they could really like rock this. I mean, everyone can, but not everyone will want to. But I just feel like this color looks so great on our complexion, like a darker chocolate gout. Like, look at that, it's just so pretty. I'm not gonna use a lip liner with this one, and I love the shape of the one because it literally is so easy to use. This is so pretty. Like, I love this color. It just gives me like kind of like, is it 80s? I don't know, I want to say 80s. It's just giving very much 80s vibes, and like it's so pretty. Like, look at that color. I just want to be like eating loads of Skittles and stuff. But yeah, this is the shade. It's a lovely purple, very bright. It's also very comfortable on the lips. I just feel like a pop of colour always makes like a simple kind of outfit. Obviously not with what I'm wearing at the moment, but this is obviously just to show you guys what it looks like on my complexion. And so if you guys want to try it out, you know, I'm all about helping you guys save your coin wherever possible. So if you feel like it's not going to work for you, then miss it, give it a skip. You know, there surely is going to be something else that works for you. I feel like the first shade was for like my girls who love the nudes, but you know, add a little bit of pink, like a drop of pink, and then the lip gloss added a bit more, and then the red lip gloss is just like the classic but with a twist, because it's a gloss, so you can make it lighter, you can make it more, and like evening, daytime, it works. This one is more for the adventurous girls, like I said. Like this, I would probably say with a fun, cute little like summer dress. Obviously it'll be plain, like maybe like a cream summer dress, or even like you can even go with like a pink. I think could look nice, like a pale pink. Then have this as a pop of colour, or just like an all white outfit with this, or denim with this. Anyway, girls, anyway, yeah, this is the lip here, and I love this colour. To be honest, I wouldn't really wear this any other time of year except for like spring, summer, so, but to each their own. I can't wait to like think of an outfit to put together with these lip colours. Okay guys, so that last lipstick was actually a bit annoying to get off. Just thought I should mention that, if that's something that you guys consider when you buy stuff. But anyway, this last one is my favourite. Like, it's honestly the best. Like, I look forward to spring, summertime so that I can wear this colour. Not saying I can't wear it in winter, because I can, because I can do whatever I want. But I definitely feel like this one just does something. Whenever I wear it, I just feel like I'm that B, you know. And it's the Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Candy Venom, and it looks like this, guys. This color, look at that color. Whoa, that's all I can say is whoa. Oh guys, doesn't this don't you think this lip just makes everything look juicy? Like, I feel like my lips look juicy. I feel like I look juicy. It's like, oh, just want to eat my lips. It is so pretty. It's like so pretty, and I feel like it looks so gorgeous on my complexion. Can we get an amen for all the melanin girls out there? Because do you know what's so funny about this kind of lipstick? I feel like it looks great on people who are like really pale and people who are like dark skin. I feel like in the middle, yeah, you could probably get away with it, but it doesn't quite bang in the same way. It's like, oof. I mean, yes, it could give auntie vibes, but not in the way that I would style it. So I'm just like, I don't know why I'm just picturing like a really cute fuchsia outfit, like a co-ord piece, but like a tight fitted one, or like a jumpsuit, and then like white heels and a white bag, and it's just like, oh, I have arrived. The queen has arrived. Anyway, so this is the last lip, guys. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I've kept it nice and short and sweet and informative for you guys so that you know about these lipsticks. One thing before I go, this lipstick on my lip is so comfortable. Like, it feels creamy on my lips, like, anyway. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss my future uploads. Thanks again, and see you soon.